arguably a part and parcel of Indian politics. A hurt to any sentiments of a particular community is a ploy long used in Indian politics, often successfully, unfortunately. But sometimes netas simply overstep the accepted line. So when an Akali leader questions the absence of a turban on a statue of Bhagat Singh installed in the Delhi Assembly premises, some questions the backdrop. Some people, of course, most of us question the backdrop of these allegations, and some clearly related to developments of the upcoming Punjab polls. The Aam Aadmi Party has challenged the ruling Akali BJP combine, and the Congress claims to have made inroads in a majority of constituencies. So it becomes an obvious target for a political salvo. The timing perhaps also possibly right. Then the question although remains, can a particular community claim its right or try to appropriate Shahid Bhagat Singh, or for that matter any national icon? Wasn't Bhagat Singh just a freedom fighter and a person from a particular community later? Also this coming from a man who's clearly said in his biographies, I beg your pardon, his musings and his writings, that he was a staunch atheist. Here's a report, take a look.
7 decades of independence, a mature democracy, and yet the dark side of politics raises its fangs as polls near, unsparing in its choice of targets.
The Delhi government has installed these statues of Bhagat Singh, of Rajguru and of Sukhdev, and already the issue has been politicized, with the SGBC head now writing a letter to the Delhi government saying that Sikhs in Punjab were taking offence with these statues because of the fact that Bhagat Singh here dons a hat and not a turban. The SGPC Delhi head has said that at the time when he went to the gallows, Bhagat Singh was a practicing Sikh, and that this particular statue of him must have a turban.
The Akali leader banking on emotions associated with martyr Bhagat Singh, whose skin refused to be drawn into the controversy.
दिल्ली गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी ने कहीं उनके नाम पे कोई चीज बनाई है कि जो आज वो इस चीज को क्लेम करते हैं कि पगड़ी वाली फोटो होनी चाहिए, उनकी सिखों की मर्यादा जो है.
But for the BJP, Akali's ally, the issue is far from over, and it is about the sentiments of the Sikh community.
This was one of his looks that was with hat. And this look too is popular among people and people of India and even in Punjab also. But at the same time, we should respect the religious feelings, and taking into consideration the religious feelings, I think this demand should be fulfilled.
Not all are convinced though.
I don't think politics should be done on these matters. I think Delhi Assembly is first assembly in India after so many years of independence, which has actually now which has a statue of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, and everybody should be proud of it.
And in politics, as much as it is about opportunistic U-turns, it is equally important to stick to your guns.
You want me to say objected after 2 years, after the elections? How does it matter if the election is today or tomorrow? They projected him as a non-Sikh, and I'm objecting about it. And what is the reason that they don't want to change the statue with a Sikh turbaned man?
But this is not the first time that Bhagat Singh has been drawn into a controversy.
This is a coin that was released by the government of India back in 2007-2008. You can see Bhagat Singh's photograph on both. This is a 100 rupee coin, and above it is the rupee 5 coin. And in both the images, on both the pictures, the martyr Bhagat Singh is seen wearing a hat. And when it was released, the function was on. And at that time, Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal had raised this issue.
With Punjab going to polls next year and the Aam Aadmi Party portraying itself as a serious contender, many see politics behind the controversy. And many are questioning if a community can appropriate a national icon. Bureau Report, NewsX.
All right, this is the story we're discussing tonight. Some would say, of course, Bhagat Singh's memory and his legacy really is not for anyone to appropriate, because in this day and age, no political party, and I say that with utter confidence, no political party would have lived up to the ideals that Bhagat Singh had espoused way back in the 1930s when he gave his life as a young 23-year-old. Yadvinder Singh joins us, grandnephew of Shahid Bhagat Singh, also president of the Shahid Bhagat Singh Brigade. He's right here with me in the studio. R.P. Singh joins us, National Secretary of the BJP. He joins us from Delhi. Jaiveer Shergill, spokesperson of the Congress Party, as well as Avtar Singh Heat, National Vice President of the SAD, the Shiromani Akali Dal. Completing the panel will be Himmat Singh Shergill, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Thank you all, gentlemen, for being here with us. Jaiveer, I'd like to start with you right now. I started off by saying most political stories these days border sometimes on even the ridiculous. The fact that Bhagat Singh espoused a certain ideal, certain ideas, and he gave his life for the country not as a particular Sikh gentleman, but as someone who's trying to achieve freedom for his country. Now, do you think this particular political salvo fired by the SGPC today has anything to do with Bhagat Singh or his legacy, or more got to do with the fact that the SAD is perhaps slightly nervous about their dwindling base of support, so they're looking at religious angles to try and appropriate support right now in this hour of their political crisis?
Athar, I would like to make 3 points on this issue. Firstly, I think both AAP and Akali Dal are trying to politically capitalize on Shahid Bhagat Singh's legacy, keeping in view the coming Punjab elections. The point first being, Shahid Bhagat Singh will always be known as a son of India rather than a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or a Christian. Number two, I would have really preferred if Mr. GK would have read the jail diaries of Shahid Bhagat Singh, where on page 40 he says, and it's very important, in quotes marks, says, man creates religion, religion doesn't create man. Religion is a self-consciousness and self-feeling of a man who has lost himself, or rather has not found himself. At page 40 he says, religion is a disease born out of fear. So this was Shahid Bhagat Singh. Now, trapping Shahid Bhagat Singh in any religious identity is an ultimate insult to his sacrifice and the values he stood for. Now, coming to both AAP and Akali Dal, I want to make 2 specific points. AAP, the timing of installation of the statue itself smacks of political opportunism, and here are the 3 reasons for it. Athar, I have before me a leading report from a leading English daily of Punjab called the Tribune. 23rd is the date. No AAP leader worth his name visited Khadkhad Kala, the Bhagat Singh ancestral village, to mark his anniversary. It's a report. The issue of hat versus a turban is a non-issue in his village. Please mark it. Second, look at the irony of this. There is a certain MP of Aam Aadmi Party wears a turban like Shahid Bhagat Singh, but arrives drunk at venues. Is this a tribute? Number 3, there are posters of Shri Arvind Kejriwal asking people to celebrate Bhindranwala and also comparing himself to Bhagat Singh. So is this the true tribute?
Right, so you're saying both parties are trying to appropriate a national icon whose legacy cannot be put into... No, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. The Aam Aadmi Party wants to come in right now because I want to go to the SGPC as well in a bit.
30 seconds.
Yes.
Only 30 seconds on Akali Dal.
Yes.
No, only 30 seconds on Akali Dal I want to say. Akali Dal, I want to ask Mr. GK, has Mr. GK ever written a letter to Akali Dal to eradicate drug problem in Punjab, to save youth of Punjab for which Bhagat Singh stood? No. To the contrary, day before yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis, the CM Maharashtra, paid tribute to a wrong photo of Shahid Bhagat Singh, and Mr. Manjeet Singh JK never wrote a letter to him. So this smacks of...
So you're saying this is blatant opportunism by both the SGPC and the Aam Aadmi Party. Now that's a premise, we'll take it from here. Stay with us, Jerry. I want to give the AAP spokesperson a chance to respond to this before I come to the Akali spokesperson first. Himmat Singh Shergill, let me answer Mr. Jaiveer Shergill back. The fact that Manjeet Singh GK today is taking umbrage to the fact that a statue with Bhagat Singh Ji's face, but a hat, not a turban, has been unveiled in Delhi Assembly is a big sentiment hurter for the Sikh community. I don't even think Bhagat Singh's family right now, a member is sitting right here with me, has clearly said this is a needless controversy. It is a shameless attempt at politicization of a national icon. Now, you also been accused, Mr. Shergill, of trying to appropriate Bhagat Singh because you have big political ambitions in Punjab. You might have made inroads, but you're also trying to appropriate Mr. Bhagat Singh there, a legendary freedom fighter whose legacy I would... But you're also trying to appropriate Mr. Bhagat Singh there, a legendary freedom fighter whose legacy, I would say, cannot be restricted to political parties of this day and age. I think one of your leaders put it best, Kapil Mishra, I think it was. He said, if Bhagat Singh was alive today, he would have hurled 2 bombs in Parliament. Contentious issue, but I understand the emotion.
See, the thing is that you see in museums, in all over Punjab, everywhere you see, even in films, you have both the photographs. You have one with the turban and you have the other photograph also. So the thing is that they are just politicizing the whole issue right now. This is election year. And I want to tell Congress spokesperson, Mr. Jaiveer Shergill, he was totally quoting wrong facts. He is casting aspersions on our member parliament without any medical evidence. The way it is total wrong facts, because I mean that member parliament, he has done outstandingly well, Mr. Bhagwant Mann, in the parliament. He has got so many awards. So casting aspersions like this, because Shaheed-e-Azam, Shaheed Bhagat Singh Ji is the tallest leader of India. All of us, Aam Aadmi Party, our volunteers, our leaders, we all draw inspiration from Shaheed-e-Azam.
So you're rejecting the charge that the Aam Aadmi Party unveiling the statue just a year before Punjab is supposed to go to polls. You have no political motive there, sir. You're clearly stating that, because I think there will be a couple of people who would say that, look, this only happens when Punjab becomes an important state for Aam Aadmi Party, and appropriating a leader now just before the polls would seem sound political strategy. Be that as it may, sir, I want to involve Yadvinder Singh also, and RP Singh is waiting. I believe he's been patched through to us. But first, Yadvinder Singh, you as a member of Bhagat Singh Ji's family, clearly see through this plot, be it the Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress, or even the BJP for that matter. Do you think if Bhagat Singh was alive today, he would have agreed with any of these political parties as far as ideas is concerned? We are very clear on what Bhagat Singh meant, read and wrote about his feelings about religion. He was a staunch atheist. Do you think he would appreciate him being used as a political prop by be it the Akalis or anyone else? Yadvinder?
First I say no. Today हमारी आज़ादी को 65 साल भी हो गए हैं. आज भी कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी रोटी कपड़ा मकान से आगे नहीं बढ़ पाई है. भगत सिंह जी की लड़ाई क्या थी कि हर इंसान को उसका हक मिले. और जैसे आज ये कंट्रोवर्सी बन रही है, भगत सिंह जी रहेंगे, चाहे वो टर्बन के अंदर हों, चाहे वो पगड़ी के हैट के अंदर हों, तो भगत सिंह जी रहेंगे. तो मैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से ये कहना चाहूंगा, आप देख रहे हैं 10-15 डेज से भगत सिंह जी का नाम किसी ना किसी तरीके से हर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी उसको उठा रहा है, वो भी गलत तरीके से. तो मेरा कहना यही होगा कि भगत सिंह जी एक ऐसा नाम है जिनके साथ हर धर्म जुड़ता है, हर वर्ग जुड़ता है, हर समाज का हिस्सा जुड़ता है. जब हमारी आजादी की लड़ाई हुई थी, उसके अंदर भगत सिंह जी एक ऐसी फिगर है जो आज तक आगे तक चल रही है, जिसके अंदर हर समाज और हर वर्ग का, यानी किसान भी उनमें अपना हीरो देखता है, मजदूर भी देखता है, दलित भी देखता है, कोई जिम्मेदार भी देखता है, कोई बिजनेसमैन भी देखता है. तो उसको अब क्योंकि वो यूथ आइकॉन है, एक तरीके से हर इंडियन यूथ उनको पसंद करता है और पूरा हिंदुस्तान उन्हें पसंद करता है. तो इसी वजह से मेरे ख्याल से पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज यूथ को अपने प्रति आकर्षित करने के लिए भगत सिंह जी का नाम इस्तेमाल कर रही है.
क्या आपको लगता है यादविंदर जी, आपने जो कहा कि भगत सिंह जी की जो लेगेसी है वो उनके आइडियाज में है, उनके पॉलिटिक्स में नहीं है? One second, sir. I'm coming to you. Just give me a second here with Yadvinder. Since he is clearly seeing through the plot by all political parties, Yadvinder, ये बताइए, आपकी भगत सिंह जी की लेगेसी को अप्रोप्रिएट करना ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी करती आई है. और आपने सही कहा कि अभी इलेक्शन से पहले कुछ पार्टियां उनके स्टैचू अनवील करेंगी, उसके बाद कुछ ये बोलेंगे कि उनको सरदार की टर्बन में नहीं दिखाया, तो ये गलत है. क्या आपको लगता है कि इससे जनता अल्टीमेटली ये वोटों का खेल है इनके लिए, अल्टीमेटली इन वोटों के खेल के जनता इसको देख पाएगी कि ये क्या करना चाह रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल, अब जिस हिसाब से चीजें हो रही हैं तो बिल्कुल देख पा रही हैं, क्योंकि ये जो अगर कंट्रोवर्सी हैट और टर्बन की बनाई गई है, आप किसी भी इंडियन से पूछेंगे वो कहेंगे इसका कोई रेलेवेंस नहीं है. कि हम लोग भगत सिंह जी की जो भावना थी राष्ट्रभक्ति की, जो इंडिया के लिए उन्होंने सेक्रीफाइस किया है, उसको हम देखते हैं. भगत सिंह जी ना सिर्फ पंजाब के थे, ना किसी सिख कम्युनिटी के थे, वो सारे हिंदुस्तान के हैं, वो मध्य प्रदेश के भी हैं, वो महाराष्ट्र के भी हैं, वो हरियाणा के भी हैं, वो कलकत्ता के लिए भी हैं, वो हर उस हिंदुस्तानी के हैं जो अपने देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहता है.
एक और छोटा सवाल बिफोर आई गो टू अवतार सिंह,
एक बात मैं और ऐड करना चाहूंगा. जैसे मैंने वही कहा कि भगत सिंह जी की सोच को पढ़े, मेरे पॉलिटिशियन जितने भी यहाँ पे आदरणीय बैठे हुए हैं, वो उनकी सोच को पढ़े. उनकी लड़ाई थी एक इंसान की दूसरे इंसान के शोषण के खिलाफ. 65 साल हमारी आजादी को हो गए हैं, आज भी हम उसी बात में हैं कि हम रोटी कपड़ा मकान की व्यवस्था करके देंगे.
एक सवाल और, अभी मंजीत सिंह जी के और अकाली दल ने यह कहा है कि सिख कम्युनिटी की फीलिंग्स हर्ट हुई हैं क्योंकि वो गुरु सिख थे, जब वो जेल में थे तो वो पगड़ी पहनते थे, पग पहनते थे.
नहीं,
तो आपको लगता है सिख कम्युनिटी की कोई कम्युनिटी इसमें हर्ट फील कर रही है, या फिर ये फिर वही अपना शुरू कर रहे हैं कि वी रिप्रेजेंट द इंटायर सिख कम्युनिटी इन द वर्ल्ड और हमारे से आगे कोई नहीं?
देखिए, इसमें एक तो दो गलत बातें. एक तो हिस्ट्री की उनको जानकारी होनी चाहिए, जो ये साहब बोल रहे हैं कि भगत सिंह जी जब जेल के अंदर गए तो वो गुरु सिख थे. उन्होंने अपने बाल कटा दिए थे जब सैंडर्स मर्डर केस हुआ था. भगत सिंह जी ने यह भी कहा था कि अगर मैंने अपने बाल कटाए हैं, अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ बाल कटाए हैं, मुझे आगे आने का मौका मिले तो मैं अपने देश के लिए अपनी गला भी कटा दूंगा. तो इस तरह की बातें करना कोई फैक्ट से लेगेसी नहीं करती. एक तो फैक्ट्स पहले पता होने चाहिए, फिर हमें बोलना चाहिए।
Okay, Avtar Singh Hit is the National Vice President of the SAD. RP Singh, I will give you a word after this, but I want to understand, Avtar Singh Hit, that you've heard Yadvinder Singh right now. He clearly sees through what political parties are trying to do. Given SGPC is a religious body, it's fiercely political as well.
Hello.
On what basis, sir, Hit? Avtar Singh ji, आप ये बताइए कि on what basis आपने ये decide कर लिया है कि सारी सिख कम्युनिटी की फीलिंग्स हर्ट हुई हैं क्योंकि भगत सिंह जी का जो स्टैचू है उसमें हैट है, टर्बन नहीं? अवतार सिंह प्लीज गो अहेड।
ये कंट्रोवर्सी तो खामखादी छेड़ के रखी हुई है। कोई हाँ जी, मैं बोल अवतार सिंह है तो बोल रहा हूं मैं जी।
बोलिए।
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो बुत की जो पगड़ी की बात छेड़ रखी है, ये खामखा के इन्होंने कंट्रोवर्सी छेड़ रखी है। देशभक्त कोई भी हो, सारे देश का होता है, वो चाहे मैं हूं चाहे कोई भी हो, लेकिन जो देशभक्त शहीद भगत सिंह हुए हैं वो एक सरदार कराने से हुए, तो हमें तो प्राउड होता ना। फिर किसी का बाप को फांसी चढ़ जाए, किसी का परिवार का चढ़ जाए, प्राउड फील करता कि मेरे खानदान का एक आदमी देश के लिए कुर्बान हुआ है, तो इसमें बुरी बात कौन सी होगी? कि हम ये कहते हैं कि वो सरदार था, उसके ऊपर सिर पे पगड़ी होनी चाहिए, तो पगड़ी उसने जेल में भी रखी है। पगड़ी उसका बुत पगड़ी वाले हुसैनी वाला में लगे हुए हैं, पगड़ी वाला बुत उसका पार्लियामेंट में लगा हुआ है। तो पगड़ी में लग जाएगा तो नुकसान किस बात का हो रहा है? आम आदमी पार्टी की कमेटी का इनके आदमी ने खुद बयान दिया है कि हमने पास कर दिया कि पगड़ी वाला बुत लगना चाहिए। और इनके जितने लोग हैं, इनके पार्टी के भगवंत मान जैसे, ये लड़ छड़ के उसकी पगड़ी की रीस करते हैं, इसके कमांडर करते हैं। एक हमें तो इस बात का प्राउड है कि बहुत बड़ा देशभक्त हुआ,
बिल्कुल
देश के लिए कुर्बान हुआ, शहादत दी और सिख था। हम चाहते हैं कि सिख का ना हो।
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं आपकी बात समझ रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरा सवाल कुछ थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। अवतार सिंह जी, एक मिनट
हमें
आपने कहा कि मैं समझ गया आपकी बात और आपकी बात में दम है। मेरा सवाल इतना है कि कोई फर्क पड़ता है with the greatness of Bhagat Singh whether he is portrayed with a turban or without a turban? क्या कोई फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं फर्क नहीं। मेरी बात तो पहली बात तो ये कि उसे टोपी नहीं नहीं, तो आप सब देख रहे हो, सारे बातें कर रहे हो। दो आदमी राजगुरु सुखदेव के सिर के ऊपर टोपी, जो हिंदू टोपी, जो हिंदुस्तान की टोपी है, उसके सिर के ऊपर हैट है जो अंग्रेज की निशानी है। उस टाइम उसने सैंडर्स को मार करके निकलने का एक वसीला बनाया था, वो ही टोपी, वो हैट चलता चला आ रहा। जब हिंदू टोपी होती तभी मान लेते, वो हैट ही चलता चला आ रहा। क्यों वो हैट तुम मानते हो? हैट तुम्हारी टोपी।
Okay, RP Singh, I want you to come in here. Fair enough. I don't want to go into a religious discourse. I'm not a religious expert either. I'm certainly no expert on Sikhism. So one second. RP Singh of the BJP also with us right now. Mr. Singh, you as a Sikh gentleman, sir, do you believe the sentiments of the entire Sikh community are hurt because Bhagat Singh was portrayed in a hat, which he has been over the years for decades now? The government has minted coins with the hat on. Does it really make a difference whether Bhagat Singh, our national icon, wears a hat or a pagdi?
See, I just heard Avtar Singh Hit, and both the Shergills and the family member of the Bhagat Singh. What Avtar Singh said, his sub said, that the hat symbolized the culture of British, and he wore the hat just to do that event. But he never used to wear hat. So his basic attire was of Sikhism. So if it is a matter of concern that it's hurting the sentiment, why to get into this? And Bhagat Singh can't be divided into hat and turban. Bhagat Singh is above all this. Let's be clear on this.
Exactly.
But as per my friend Shergill says, as per my friend Shergill, I mean, they are recently started lacking Bhagat Singh. I remember NCERT books till last 4 years used to teach about Bhagat Singh as a terrorist in the NCERT books under the UPA regime. I mean, that was there. And also,
I don't remember that, sir. I also read about Bhagat Singh. He was always a freedom fighter in those books. I don't remember what book you are talking about.
No. Sir, please, sir, I'll send you.
I've also read about Bhagat Singh. He was always a freedom fighter in those books. I don't remember what book you are talking about.
No. Sir, please, sir, I'll send you the book. Now, when you speak, I never uttered a word.
Fair.
Have some patience. And also, your friend Shashi Tharoor compares Bhagat Singh with the Kanhaiya Kumar who talks about breaking this country. Bhagat Singh was a nationalist icon. I mean, above everything else, he gave his life. The supreme sacrifice which Bhagat Singh made was for nation. for nationalism an issue. He's the icon of nationalism in the country. And Shashi Tharoor compared them with person, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi have tea with him. Mr. Kejriwal goes and support that person who talks about breaking this country, and that is Mr. Kanhaiya Kumar. So what a dichotomy, and both the parties are trying to say they prove that it's their legacy. Mr. Gill from the AAP party who's on your show, the picture behind him shows Bhagat Singh in turban. So I don't understand. And over 60 years,
Mr. Singh, does it really matter? Is it
it was Congress
overtly political, Mr. Singh?
Sir, all of you, no.
Sir, isn't it overtly political? Even if I take this.
Years since, no, it's not overtly. No, it's not political. There's a logical reason behind it. Over 68 years, it was Congress who was ruling this country. They projected Bhagat Singh with a hat, and that too with a British hat, because it suited them. That's very categorical. Bhagat Singh, and let me tell you, Bhagat Singh, you can't say Bhagat Singh was atheist. I'm sorry, but you are wrongly quoting Bhagat Singh again, and history being wrongly quoted. I have the other part of history by Ranjit Singh.
I'm sorry, sir. As far as his atheism is concerned, he wrote a treatise called "Why I Am an Atheist." I am not making that up. That's history, sir. He wrote a treatise called "Why I Am an Atheist" and outlined. Anyway, that's not the issue here. That's not the issue here. I think that's not the issue here. Whether or not he was an atheist is besides the point. R.P. Singh ji, whether he was an atheist or not is besides the point right now.
Bhagat Singh took hat and the turban. Let's not divide him between hat and turban. Bhagat Singh is above everything, any of these hat and turban.
Absolutely, and we are all agreed on that point, Mr. R.P. Singh. No panelist has said that Bhagat Singh's legacy can be divided on whether he wore a hat or a turban. That would be ridiculous, and everyone understands that. The point is, even the Aam Aadmi Party that has been accused of politicizing Bhagat Singh right now, by unveiling a statue just a year before the Punjab elections, cannot really claim that they're not trying to politicize Bhagat Singh. Let me just ask Yadvinder a question, then I want to go back to Jaivir Singh Shergill. No, 1 second. Yadvinder, do you think the fact there is a merit, there is any merit in the fact because R.P. Singh and Mr. Hater both said, one second, sir, 1 second, रुक जाइए सर, अवतार जी रुक जाइए, मैं आपके पास आ रहा हूं, बस 2 सेकंड दे दीजिए मुझे यादविंदर के साथ. यादविंदर अभी बताया आरपी सिंह ने भी और हिट साहब ने भी, क्या पता मेरिट है उस आर्ग्यूमेंट में कि जब वो मरे, जब वो सूली पे चढ़े तो वो सिख थे, चाहे वो बिलीव करें उसमें या ना करें उसमें, तो उनको सेंटिमेंट्स, सिखों के सेंटिमेंट रखने के लिए तो उनको टर्बन में ही दिखाना चाहिए. क्या आपको लगता है ओवर द 60 इयर्स जबकि गवर्नमेंट ने वेरियस बुक्स और जितनी भी हमारी हिस्ट्री है पोर्ट्रे किया एक हैट वाले अवतार में, क्या उससे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं,
आगे या पहले?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ेगा. मैं बताता हूं, मैं आज सिख कम्युनिटी के जो यंगस्टर्स थे उनके बीच में बैठा हुआ था और ये डिबेट चल रही थी, तो वो लोग भी कह रहे थे कोई डिबेट नहीं है कि भगत सिंह जी हैं, चाहे वो हैट में हो या टर्बन में हो. इवन सिख कम्युनिटी, हमारी जो कम्युनिटी है सरदार कम्युनिटी, सिख कम्युनिटी, उसमें भी यही कहा है कि देश पहले है फिर कौम है, देश कौम, ऐसे करके हमें समझाया जाता है कि पहले हिंदुस्तान है फिर अपनी कौम है या बाकी चीजें बाद में. उसी तरह मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने कभी भी, जैसे जब वो जेल में गए, मेरे ख्याल से शायद कंफ्यूजन हो रही है, उनकी एक फोटो है जिसमें वो मंजे पे बैठे हुए हैं. वो एक्चुअली में फोटो क्या है, जब वो फर्स्ट टाइम अरेस्ट हुए थे 1926 में, उनके ऊपर एक फेक बॉम्ब का केस बनाया गया था ब्रिटिशर्स द्वारा जब वो नौजवान भारत सभा चलाते थे. तो वो वाली फोटो को शायद देखे कंफ्यूजन हो रही है कि भगत सिंह जी शायद केस रखे हुए थे या टर्बन में थे. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इस क्लेम में कोई तथ्य नहीं है कि भगत सिंह जी जब फांसी की सजा हुई उनको तो वो क्या कहते हैं कि टर्बन में थे. दूसरा, भगत सिंह जी का अगर आप रिलीजन पूछेंगे तो वो है नेशनलिज्म, वो है देशभक्ति, वो है राष्ट्रभक्ति. उससे बढ़ाना उनका कोई धर्म है ना कुछ. मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा पॉलिटिशियन से कि हमारी आजादी के 65 साल हो गए, आज भी हम एक भगत सिंह के लिए तरस रहे हैं. क्या ऐसा कोई लीडर हम लोग बना पाए? नहीं बना पाए. ये मेरा सवाल है सब आदरणीयों से. और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगा जो सारे पॉलिटिकल यहाँ पे एनालिस्ट बैठे हैं कि भगत सिंह जी के विचारों पे जाए. उन्होंने कहा था कि आई एम अ मैन एंड ऑल दैट इफेक्ट्स मैनकाइंड दैट कंसर्न्स मी, कि मैं एक ऐसा, मैं मनुष्य हूं और ऐसी कोई भी चीज जो मानवता को बाधित करती है, नुकसान पहुंचाती है, उससे मुझे मतलब है. तो वो उसको समझें और एक इंसान के दूसरे इंसान के शोषण के खिलाफ करें और समाजवाद की तरफ बढ़े.
एंड स्टॉप दिस पोलिटिसाइजेशन.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल.
पोलिटिसाइजेशन बिफोर आई कम बैक टू अवतार सिंह, चाहे कोई भी पार्टी हो. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. जयवीर, आई गिव यू अ चांस टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू मिस्टर आरपी सिंह क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट, देन आई वांट टू गो बैक टू हिम्मत सिंह शेरगिल एंड आल्सो अवतार सिंह हिट जी. आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ. पहले जयवीर, फर्स्ट गो अहेड जयवीर.
Atar, being a Sikh from Punjab, let me tell you one thing. Proud is the only and the sole sentiment the entire community has vis-a-vis Shaheed Bhagat Singh. the sentiment of being proud of him does not rest on the fulcrum or on the factum whether he wears a hat or a turban, and Sikh community is not insecure about this identity crisis at all. Number one. Number two, religious identity was never a criteria for Shahid Bhagat Singh. For his escape, he even let go of his hair, and that's a big deal for the Sikh. Number three, Mr. RPN Singh again has trapped him into contemporary politics to make a no point. The point today is he has to answer in black and white. Does he support a turban? Will he support this movement? Yes or no? Now creating a proxy war to divert the attention is the new tactic of Akali Dal and BJP. If Mr. RPN Singh, I respect him personally, if he's so concerned, did 72% of the youth in Punjab is on drugs. Did Mr. GK even write one letter or one banner to say save Punjab from drugs? 18,000 factories have shut, 19,000 schools don't even have chalk and cheese. This is what Bhagat Singh stood for. What has Akali Dal and BJP done for them? If they want to pay a true tribute to them, then Mr. GK should write to Sukhbir Singh Badal that when he says there are not even 72% drug addicts, when his people from his party are involved in drug deals, when there is a youth today are asking one question from Akali Dal, where are the drug de-addiction centers? Does he answer all these questions? Is the Sikh community concerned about saving their generation? We've lost one generation to terrorism. We are on the verge of losing entire generation to narco-terrorism. Has Akali and BJP even raked up that issue rather than raising these completely non-issues? Please go to Khadkad Kala, Mr. RPN Singh, and see hat and a turban is a non-issue in Khadkad Kala. There are statues with hat, there are statues with turban. People of Punjab want you to focus on their Bhagat Singh's values rather than trapping him in religious and social identity.
Avtar Singh,
and lastly, Akali Dal has written to them to release terrorists. Akali Dal has written to release 9 dreaded Khalistani terrorists. Is this the biggest insult to Shahid Bhagat Singh? The petition is pending before Mr. Rajnath Singh. Now, with one hand, you want to release dreaded terrorists who created havoc in Punjab. Second hand, you're not talking about drugs. Third, you want a turban on Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Avtar Singh
जी, save our generation from drugs.
आप अभी तक ये कहते आ रहे हैं कि चाहे वो उनने कहा हो वो सिख थे या नहीं थे, because he was born and died probably as Sikh as an accident of birth. आपको लगता है कि वो टर्बन के साथ ही हमेशा डिस्प्ले करने चाहिए, दिखाने चाहिए, बुक्स हो या स्टैचू हो या कॉइनेज हो? द पॉइंट इज, एज जयवीर पॉइंटेड आउट राइट नाउ, अगर उनके विलेज आप जाएं तो ये इशू ही नहीं है. अगर उनके एंसेस्ट्रल विलेज में ये इशू नहीं है, अगर ये उनकी फैमिली के लिए, यादवेंद्र के लिए इशू नहीं है, उनके नेफ्यू के लिए इशू नहीं है, तो आप इसको इशू बनाने में क्यों तुले हुए हैं?
इवन पूरे इंडिया के लिए नहीं,
किसी के लिए नहीं है सिवाय एसजीपीसी और अकाली के.
हाँ बिल्कुल, पूरे इंडिया को भी नहीं है कोई इशू इसमें.
अवतार जी,
इशू तो बनाना नहीं चाहिए.
तो कौन बना रहा है? मनजीत सिंह जी के कौन है? वो एसजीपीसी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव.
मैं ये बताता हूं कि जो पाकिस्तान एक मिनट बात सुनिए. पाकिस्तान शहीद, एक बात है समझ लो, हेलो पाकिस्तान शहीद कोई महात्मा गांधी की तरफ देख के देशभक्त नहीं बना. उसने करतार से सराबा के मार्ग पे चला, वो वहां से शिक्षा मिली उसको.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, आपने सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया. अगर किसी के लिए इशू नहीं है अवतार सिंह जी, तो एसजीपीसी इसको इशू बनाने पे क्यों तुला हुआ है? क्या ये पॉलिटिकल नहीं है? क्या ये अप्रोप्रिएशन नहीं है?
मैं कह रही क्यों ना बढ़ाए नहीं. अगर हमारे परिवार में, हमारी कौम में एक चीज पैदा हुआ, हमें प्राउड नहीं होना चाहिए? अगर हमारी कौम के अंदर कोई गुदार पैदा हो जाता तो फिर क्या कहते हैं उसको? तुम फिर कहते टोपी
आपको कौम की एजेंसी किसने दी हुई है?
हमें प्राउड. आपको क्या क्यों परेशानी हो रही है? क्यों
आप कौम के ठेकेदार कब से बन गए हैं?
हमें प्राउड है इस बात का कि हमारा
कौम गर्व है, उनका परिवार, देश पूरे को गर्व है शहीद भगत सिंह के, जो उन्होंने
आजादी के ठेकेदार हैं,
सेक्रीफाइस दिया देश के लिए. आप कौम के ठेकेदार कब से बन गए?
हमारे तो खानदान में हमारे गुरुओं ने.
मैं पंजाबी नहीं हूँ, आप वहां बैठ के ज्यादा पंजाबी हो गए.
गद्दारी नहीं की, ये हमारे बुजुर्ग जो शहीद हुए हैं.
नहीं अवतार सिंह जी, आप सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे रहे. सवाल सिर्फ इतना है,
अवतार सिंह
अगर सही मायने में नमन और शहादत देनी है तो अपने पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट सुखबीर बादल को चिट्ठी लिखो. अगर सही मायने में नमन और शहादत देनी है तो अपने पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट सुखबीर बादल को चिट्ठी लिखो और उनको कहो जो हमारा युवा पूरे नशों में धंसता जा रहा है, उनको बचाइए. Don't indulge in this meaningless symbolism to save a sinking ship called Akali and BJP in Punjab.
अवतार सिंह जी, मैं बस एक लाइन कोट करना चाहता हूँ और आपसे एक सवाल ही पूछूंगा. आरपी सिंह ऑल्सो वेटिंग. होल्ड ऑन प्लीज 1 सेकंड. अवतार सिंह जी, अवतार सिंह जी, अवतार सिंह जी, एक सेकंड प्लीज. 1 सेकंड मिस्टर सिंह. नो मिस्टर सिंह, 1 सेकंड मिस्टर सिंह. होल्ड योर प्लीज सर, होल्ड योर प्लीज. आई कम टू यू. अवतार सिंह जी, एक लाइन कोट करना चाहूंगा सर. 1 सेकंड. आरपी I'll give you a chance to respond. I'll give you a chance to respond, please. 1 second. I'll give you a chance to respond, Mr. RP Singh. Please hold your peace for a second. I don't know, 1 second. This is no way. This is no way of having a debate like this. Please. अवतार सिंह जी, एक लाइन, सिर्फ एक लाइन कोट करूंगा, फिर मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा, उसका हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिए. मनजीत सिंह जीके हैं, एसजीपीसी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, स्पोक्स पर्सन है दिल्ली में. वो एक चिट्ठी लिखते हैं, एक खत लिखते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को. स्टार्ट्स लाइक दिस. This is to state that there is a strong resentment in the minds of the Sikh community and their feelings have been hurt, showing Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh without a turban at a statue installed in the Assembly of Delhi. उसके आगे भी बहुत कुछ लिखते हैं. तो अगर अभी यहां बैठ के यादविंद्र कह रहे हैं कि कोई जयवीर कह रहे हैं, आरपी सिंह कह रहे हैं, हिम्मत सिंह शेरगिल भी कह रहे हैं और काफी सैकड़ों करोड़ों लोग भी यही कह रहे होंगे, तो फिर क्या जरूरत है सर पंजाब पोल से पहले ये बताने की या ये दिखाने की या बताने की कि अगर भगत सिंह को आप हैट में दिखाओगे तो पंजाबियों की, सिखों की इंसल्ट हो जाएगी और वो उनके रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट हर्ट हो जाएंगे, और अगर आप उनको टर्बन में दिखाओगे तभी जाके भगत सिंह की जो ट्रू लेगेसी है वो सामने आएगी. तो इशू भी नहीं है. सही.
नहीं, वो नहीं इशू नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है.
तो क्यों बता रहे हैं आप?
ये बात है कि पगड़ी बांधने में इनको क्यों परेशानी होती है?
परेशानी की बात नहीं सर. प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि उन्हें पगड़ी क्यों नहीं पहनी.
उन्होंने क्यों लिया?
प्रॉब्लम किसी को नहीं है सर.
पगड़ी बनी है, पगड़ी के साथ
मैं कह रहा हूं इशू क्यों मनाया जा रहा है.
उसे पगड़ी उसे पहनी है जब शहादत हुई है,
बिल्कुल
जब फांसी हुई है उसके टाइम उसके पगड़ी सी बनी हुई.
अगेन यू कैन डिस्प्यूट दैट. यादवेंद्र कह रहे हैं कि वो सही नहीं है. ये बात बताना कि वो गुरु सिख पगड़ी के जब फांसी पे सूली पे चढ़े, ये बात भी शायद कंटेंशियस है. इसके भी काफी वर्जन्स हैं. आरपी सिंह वांट्स टू कम इन. आरपी सिंह प्लीज कम इन हियर. डू वी हैव आरपी सिंह?
पगड़ी थी उसके सिर पे.
नो सर, पगड़ी थी. उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने केश कटवा लिए, देश के लिए कटवाए, उनके अपने एडमिशन से. द पॉइंट इज सर, वो सिख एज एन एक्सीडेंट ऑफ बर्थ थे, चाहे वो बिलीव करें ना करें, वो सिख तो रहेंगे. वो तो रहेंगे.
No, please. I'm sorry, I take some objection to your point. My action of birth.
बढ़िया किया.
आरपी सिंह wants to come in. आरपी सिंह प्लीज कम इन. व्हाट ऑब्जेक्शन डू यू हैव?
देश के लिए अच्छा किया, देश के लिए.
आरपी सिंह
देश के लिए उसने बहुत बढ़िया किया.
बिल्कुल किया, कोई उसको डिस्प्यूट नहीं कर रहा सर.
Who being a Sikh don't support a turban?
Yes, Mr. Singh, go
So
ahead.
don't give me that. Don't say that it's matter of accident. I also believe that.
Mr. Can we get Mr. RP Singh on the phone right now, because I think he wants to make a point and we'll let him do that once he comes back. In the meantime, I want to go across to Himmat Singh Shergill as well. As far as RP Singh is concerned, we'll try and get him back. There is some sort of connection problem, and I assure you he'll get in a word when he wants to. But Himmat Singh Shergill, let me come back to you right now. We started off with the politicization of Bhagat Singh, and whether or not his turban photograph or his non-turban, that is the hat photograph or a statue, would make a difference, really. Do you think ultimately it is just purely a political ploy, something you've also been accused of by the Congress party and others? So why don't we just leave our national heroes be and stop trying to appropriate their legacy, which ultimately, sir, the unfortunate truth is no political party, including perhaps your nascent political party, can claim a right over. All right, before you answer that, Himmat, please stay with me. Before you answer that, please stay on. RP Singh is on the phone line right now. RP Singh, I believe you have a point to make and you think I have said something which might not be right. I want to give you the full chance to respond. Go ahead, Mr. RP Singh.
Sir, your statement that he was by accident, by birth accidentally Sikh, that's wrong. I take some objection to that.
Well, he was born a Sikh, sir. I have said nothing wrong.
No, you said by
he was born a Sikh, sir.
Tomorrow I can say by accident you were born into a religion doesn't make sense. Please don't do that.
Was he not born a Sikh, sir?
No, don't hang it. I'm telling you, let me go further. Neither Gavin, neither Yendundar Singh, they don't support the full Sikhi Saru, so they don't have the right to...
No, I have only said he was born a Sikh. Is that not right? Was he not born a Sikh?
I'm saying that neither Gavin, neither Yavinder won't support God. Both of them support the Sikhi Saru, so they don't have the right to talk about Sikhism as a subject. And third, thirdly also.
No, I've already said that. No, 1 second, Mr. R.P. Singh, you're being unfair. You're being unfair. I've said in the broadcast, sir, I am no expert on Sikhism or any religion. My only point was he was born a Sikh, was he not?
Oh no, but you said by accident he was born a Sikh.
Oh, anyone is born by an accident of birth, sir. Nobody chooses his religion.
You are a better Sikh and I am a lesser
R.P.
of a
Singh,
Sikh.
nobody chooses his religion when he was born. When we are born, we don't choose our religion, sir. You're trying to make it a religious issue, sir. It's not. Mr. R.P. Singh, you're trying to make it a religious issue unfairly. I will not let you do that. Everyone who is born does not choose his religion.
Let me clear on that. I'm not making a religious issue, but let me clear on one side. Aam Aadmi Party is trying to use the legacy of Bhagat Singh. Is trying to use.
All right, Mr. R.P. Singh.
And saying, अच्छा हो गया भगत सिंह की फोटो अच्छी आ गई है पीछे.
All right, fair enough. Mr. R.P. Singh, you might have misunderstood what I said, but of course I am no expert on religion, least of all Sikhism. I concede that. All I said was Bhagat Singh was born a Sikh. That's a fact. Unfortunately, we are out of time on this one right now. I think we've done enough to make it clear this is purely a political ploy, and every political party trying to appropriate national icons like Shahid Bhagat Singh perhaps will be unsuccessful because the Indian public, the Sikh community and every other community in the country perhaps is far too intelligent now to not see through these ploys. Thank you, Mr. R.P. Singh, for joining us. After